My phone used to bully me. Every few days, it hit me with the same cold, merciless notification, low balance. That sharp little ping felt like judgment wrapped in digital sound. Sophomore year, I survived on ramen, free events with free food, and a belief that being broke was just part of the college experience. Then one random night, while explaining a chemistry concept to a friend, I casually sent her a payment request as a joke. She actually paid it, $50 for 40 minutes of me talking. In that single moment, I earned more than my campus job paid in 4 hours. And that's when it hit me. My bank account wasn't empty because I was poor. It was empty because I was giving away the one thing I'd spent years building. My knowledge.
College had already given me a product. I just never treated it like one. I'd been absorbing information, passing tests, helping classmates, all for free. It felt normal, almost automatic, like a library book you borrow and return. But what if I treated what I know like a tool instead of a textbook? What if the thing I was paying the university to teach me was the exact thing I could sell back to the world? That thought cracked open something in me. The ceiling of my dorm didn't really lift, but it felt like it did. Suddenly, I wasn't a struggling student anymore. I was a seller with inventory I'd been ignoring my entire life. I didn't make a business plan, I made a list. On one side, every class I'd scored a B+ or higher in. On the other side, the people I knew who were still drowning in those same subjects. Sarah from my stats study group became my first client. "Get me through the midterm and I'll buy your coffee," she said. 2 hours in the library later, she understood the chapter, crushed her exam, and told 3 friends. That was my first real taste of how businesses actually grow. Not with ads, not with websites, but with reputation, with results.
But referrals could only take me so far. If I wanted real income, I needed a system. So I built one. I created a wyzant profile, not a stiff resume, but a story. I wrote about my worst test, how I bounced back, and how I could help anyone do the same. I set my rate at $30, low enough to attract students, high enough to signal quality. Then I made a studio out of the cleanest corner of my dorm, and I designed a simple 3-step method for every session: confusion to clarity to confidence. I didn't just teach, I untangled, rebuilt, and reinforced until my students could walk through the problem alone. Then came the breakthrough, the engine that turned my side gig into a real income stream: my notes. After each session, I emailed 3 key takeaways to the student and their parents. Later, I added quick screen-recorded recaps of the aha moment. Suddenly, I wasn't just selling 1 hour of my time. I was creating something they could replay before every quiz, something parents loved, something that justified raising my rates. My teaching continued working, even when I wasn't. Within 4 months, my notifications transformed. The old low balance alert faded out like an ex I'd finally moved on from. It was replaced by Venmo payments, calendar pings, new session bookings, and 5-star reviews. I was tutoring 15 hours a week from my dorm, in sweatpants, making more than the friends who were clocking in at food courts and bookstores. The financial fog that had been hanging over me lifted. I could replace my cracked phone. I could say yes to plans. I could finally breathe. And if you're listening to this, here's your cue. Tonight, right after this video, open a blank document. At the top, write the one subject you could explain to someone right now. Beneath it, write, "I help people understand this." Congratulations, that's your business plan. Your product is already in your head. Your storefront is the laptop already sitting in front of you. And somewhere out there right now, a parent is searching for someone exactly like you to help their kid. Don't wait for another low balance alert to remind you you're stuck. Use the knowledge you already have to build the income you deserve.
And if you want more real stories, real strategies, and real ways to turn your skills into money, subscribe to Money Odyssey. Because your financial journey doesn't start when you get rich. It starts the moment you decide you won't stay broke. Welcome to the next chapter.